Dads, great at DIY, not so great at telling you what they want for Father's Day. This is how to make Father's Day super easy with our top 5 Father's Day gift ideas. Whether you've got a travel dad, tech dad, shed dad, keep it clean or get it dirty dad. This year, do something for dad. First up, the travel dad. If your dad spends a lot of time planted right here, first of all, you should probably bissel that. Then help get him organised. A new phone holder, somewhere to store his knickknacks, a bit of lumbar support perhaps, and don't forget to show him where you hid his favourite hanky. Number 2 is the tech dad. Tech can sound scary, but that couldn't be farther from the truth. A brand new dash camera is simply plug and play, and a fancy new multimedia head unit isn't too much harder. You can learn more about each with our DIY guide. And if you've got the skills, or you're excited to learn, you could even solder in a reverse camera with the help of, you guessed it, our DIY guide. Number 3 is the shed dad. You can't go wrong with a bit of a tidy and even some new shelving. Assembly is super simple, and if you get on a roll, break it down further with a drawer organiser. If the workbench is cluttered with tools, a new tool cabinet certainly won't go astray. And don't throw anything out. Dads have a use for everything. Fourth is the car-loving dad, and if his car is looking a little unloved, how about deep cleaning his wheels? Give them a squirt with some wheel cleaner, get in there deep with a detailing brush, rinse them clean, dry with a microfiber towel, and finish up with a coat of tyre shine. If Dad's car has unpainted mag wheels, you can spend a little more time and polish them spotless. Finally, the outdoor dad. Focus on making his camping trips super. For a touch of fancy, how about a pull-out pantry? Or a dual battery setup is a camping essential. Do the whole thing yourself with our DIY guide, or just shop for the parts and tackle the project with Dad. Whatever type of dad you've got, make Father's Day super for him, and super easy for you. Find detailed instructions and more ways to make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.